Want to take a break?
Yeah.
Too fucking bad.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisbeth and he is Joe, my esposo, my husband. So for today's video we're going to be doing a challenge. We're going to be doing the spiciest noodle challenge. I cook this and this, so it's going to be two. I have 2 bags.
You don't have the spicy ones.
What do you mean?
She's trying to trick me.
What do you mean?
Look, these are the normal ones. This is the 2 times spicy ones. She's trying to fucking trick me.
Dude.
She's trying to trick me. What the fuck?
I did not use that
She fucking tried to trick me.
Dude.
She totally tried to trick me. She's pretending.
No, I'm telling you. I didn't even knew they had here the 2 times spicy.
Okay, yeah, she didn't know. Yeah, of course not. How would she know?
Okay, so I have 2
You gotta keep an eye on her. I don't trust her.
I have the 2 times the spiciest, and I also have this, which I think this is not too spicy. This is the spiciest, what, right?
I don't know.
This is the spiciest one.
Yeah.
So I put one of this and one of this in this bowl, and then I did the same thing with him. So let me make sure I have the right ones. Do we have? Okay, so we're going to be putting the sauce that comes inside of the bags. It's going to be like 4 packs because it's 2 for each bag.
So when Liz loses, she has to eat this.
No, whoever loses is going to have to buy this onion.
Whoever finishes the food first, that's not eat the onion. The other person eats the onion. It's crazy.
He loves onions, so...
It's my favorite.
No, it's not. Let's put the chili, the chili here. Ooh, this already smells bad.
I'm watching you.
Go get some paper towels. I know you're watching. I'm not doing nothing. Shit. Oh shit, I already taste some. Dude, this shit is...
Why do you think I'm not using my mouth to open it?
Shit. Well, anyways, you're gonna have to eat it.
Yeah. That's not the spicy one either.
What do you mean?
That's not the 2 times, that's just
This
the
is the 2 times.
Yeah, I know, that's not the one you were tasting.
Shit. Shit.
I should just start eating now.
No. Oh my god, dude. Mi agua, mi agua. Mi lengua se hace agua, you know?
Yeah, of course.
Mi lengua. My tongue is watery, whatever.
It smells so good.
I don't know if you can hear the wind. It's so freaking windy outside. So, sorry if you do. I'm gonna be watching you whenever I edit the video, so you better not be cheating.
How can I cheat? We should switch her bowl with my bowl just in case she cheated me. She's a cheater. Just throw some of this in the trash. Shh, don't tell her. What?
What happened? What did you do?
I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Oh yeah, and we are not allowed to drink water or milk, and you better put your drink away.
Maybe you should get some.
No.
Because you're gonna need it.
No, you better not drink this shit.
It's just water.
No. You're cheating already, see? You're gonna have to bite that onion.
Cheating how?
Because you're drinking.
We haven't ate any yet.
Okay.
When you were upstairs, I threw some away.
Some what?
Some of the noodles away.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Let me play the video again.
Alright, hurry up.
Yeah, are you sure?
I'm sure what?
Okay.
Okay.
1. 2, 3. What do you do, Joe? Do you put some on my plate?
That's a good idea. I should have did that shit.
Shit, okay.
Fuck, I was
1, 2, 3.
I was hoping I could just eat this in one bite, but this is a lot. Is it hot? It's not even hot.
Fuck, dude. It's good though. I like the taste. Ah! Oh my god. I don't know how I'm gonna do this though.
I definitely want something to drink. These are pretty good.
So hot, like the temperature is hot.
I don't think the temperature's hot. Because I switched your bowl and my bowl because I didn't know what you put in my bowl.
Doesn't matter, I put the same shit.
I know, but I'm saying I don't trust you.
It's okay. Dude, this is spicy. I didn't even knew it was this
It's not
spicy.
spicy at all.
Yes, it is. Don't lie. I'm about to cry, dude. Oh my god, my tongue.
She's supposed to be Mexican.
Oh!
I don't know what's so funny.
Oh my god, look at my... Dude, I'm crying so... Oh my god, I can control my boogers. I didn't thought it was this spicy.
Your fork looks like all fucked up.
I know, I don't care.
I'm about to start crying too. Looks like you have a lot of food over there, Liz.
I did.
You're crying.
I am crying a lot.
This is delicious. I will eat this for breakfast.
Yeah, right.
Don't be looking at my bowl.
Shit is good.
We're gonna do this for men. You can give up at any time.
Shit.
One, so she should just give up now. Here. We got sauce on that shit too.
Shit, he's almost done.
You want to take a break?
Yeah.
Too fucking bad. Would you say this is over? Oh shit, I spilled it on the table. Goddamn. The gringo wins despite the onion. It's over.
I lost already.
Whoa! Eat the onion!
he doesn't have anymore. So just
You want some milk?
look. Fuck.
Baby, why are you crying?
Shut up.
It's okay, you don't have to cry. In case you weren't paying attention, America won. What?
This is not a joke. I thought this was gonna be easy, but it's not, dude.
It's my celebration drink. Congratulations to me. It wasn't that bad.
Okay, so I guess I lose.
It wasn't that bad.
Yeah, right. Look at your face. Dude, I can't do this. Oh gosh. Since I lose, I had to bite this shit. I thought he was gonna lose, cause you know I'm Mexican. Mexicans, it's supposed to be eating more fucking spicy shit. Dude, I can't even talk. My tongue. I can feel my tongue.
I actually need to get my phone so I can make sure that I record this on Snapchat. Her eating this onion. We're ready.
Okay.
Let's go.
I can't, dude.
You gotta do
it. I can't.
You gotta do it.
Okay.
She has to eat an onion. Come on, you gotta take a bigger bite than that. You gotta take a bigger bite than that. Come on. I won the challenge. The spicy noodle challenge. I won the challenge. The spicy noodle challenge. I look like a baby that ate a bunch of food. You call this a bite?
Yes, it is.
Come on.
Yes, it is.
Come on. You gotta get one more in. Come on, just do it for your YouTube people. Come on, like a champ.
Okay, this is for you guys.
I didn't think that was gonna work.
Only for you guys. Dude, I'm gonna have this taste on my mouth forever.
Shit. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. I'm just kidding. No, but seriously, that's gross as fuck.
I swallowed it.
That's a trooper. That's a trooper there. I like my ending better.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
Nope. That's not part of it.
Okay, this is it for today's video, guys. I really thought he was going to lose. That's what I did this shit. Like, that's what I put cebolla on this video. Because he hates onions. So yeah, this is it for today's video. And if you like today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also don't forget to leave me down below in the comments what you think about this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know down below in the comments. And if you want to see my husband more on my YouTube channel, please also let me know.
You don't want to see me in there.
Yeah, they do.
Bye bye.
Bye guys.